friends. Today is my last day at UKG. We all are here to celebrate Graduation Day. I would like to share some of my experience in UKG. I had great time. I learned good procedure, reading, writing, addition, subtraction, paper calculus, parts of friends, etc. And we celebrate special days such as Teachers' Day, College Day, Children's Day, etc. That makes me grow mentally and physically. Thank you, teacher. Also, my dear friends, today is our day. We all are going to first standard. Congratulations. I will miss you, teacher. Thank you so much. Very good morning to all. My name is Kavya Rahman. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today is a special day for all of us as we gather here to celebrate our kindergarten graduation day. First, I would like to thank our teachers who have always been there for us, helping us learn and play. Thank you, teachers and auntie, for making our kindergarten journey. Good morning to all. Respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Ryan Ibrahim. Today very special day, and I am so happy to be here graduating with all of you. I would like to thank teachers, our mothers who teaching us, giving us knowledge. I am proud of you to all hard work and we have achieved. Congratulations to all. Congratulations to all. Graduation. I am proud of. Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. I am Felna Amy from UKGC. On the occasion of Graduation Day, I would like to share my experience with you. My teachers gave us the best education we needed. We learned lots of new things. I am grateful to all my hardworking teachers who help us to achieve our next level of education. I wish good luck to all my friends. Thank you. My name is Rosemarie. I am from UKG. Today, so happy to stand here. Thank you, teacher, miss, for teaching me very well. Thank you.